Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn on data saver mode on Snapchat app on Android device. Well, knowing how to turn on data saver mode on Snapchat is beneficial for managing your data usage and conserving your mobile data allowance. And also, by enabling data saver mode, Snapchat will reduce the amount of data it consumes while you are using this app. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, open Snapchat app on your device. Okay, after that, here you can open your profile page and then select settings option at the corner. Okay, so in this page, you can scroll down until you find data saver option. And tap on it. Well, and then you can turn on this feature by checking this list. Select one of several options here. Okay, so now your data saver mode is successfully turned on. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn on data saver mode on Snapchat app on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.